Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Rashmi and today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful seed stitch. For this tutorial I will be using double knit yarn in pink and white color, and I'm going to be working this with a 4.5mm crochet hook. But you certainly are welcome to use any different type of yarn that you wish to, as long as you adjust the crochet hook size relevant for your particular project. So let's get started, and we're going to do that by making a slip knot. To do this, you're going to take the yarn and wrap it around your two fingers, making an X at the base. Slip your thumb inside and grab hold of the yarn from the right hand side. Let's pull this down, and that creates your slip knot. Put your crochet inside this loop and tighten it by pulling on the end. When you're working with seed stitch or lemon peel stitch, it's always worked in odd numbers. For example, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. So if you're making a baby blanket, I would suggest for you to chain anything between 121 all the way to 147. So yarn over, pull through the loop once, yarn over, pull through the loop twice, yarn over, pull through the loop 3 times. And just like this, go ahead and work your desired number of chains and meet me back here. Once you have your desired number of chains, you're going to skip the first chain and slip your crochet in the top part of your second chain from your hook. Right here like this. Yarn over and pull up a loop from there. 2 loops on your crochet. Yarn over and pull through both of them in one go. This is your single crochet. I am talking in US terminology, and in UK terminology this would be a double crochet. From here we're going to yarn over our crochet and go in the very next stitch, slip our crochet in the top part of that chain, pull up a loop, 3 loops on our crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over, pull through 2. This is a double crochet in US terminology or a treble crochet in UK terminology. Now from here we're going to work a single crochet in the next stitch and a double crochet in the stitch after that. Yarn over, go into that top part of that chain stitch, pull up a loop, 3 loops on our crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And just like this, we're going to repeat the same process and finish this whole row. I'm now on my last stitch of this row. Yarn over your crochet and let's work a double crochet in the last stitch together. Each row should end with a double crochet or a treble crochet in UK terminology. There we go. Now if you wish to continue with the same color, you certainly can, or you can change the color over to a different color. I'm going to be going with blue color here. I'm going to pull this through the loop that I had on my crochet and pull this down. Now there are a variety of ways to change color. You go ahead and stick with the one that you prefer. I'm going to pull this through, and I do like to give these 2 tail ends a little knot as well to secure this in place like this. And let's get started and work on top of these stitches now. To do this, you're going to chain 1, turn your work around, and we're going to work a single crochet on top of this double crochet from our previous row. So I'm going to slip my crochet in this same stitch here, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both of these in one go. That's my first stitch over here. Yarn over, and we're going to work a double crochet on top of our single crochet from a previous row. Slip your crochet in there, pull up a loop, 3 loops on our crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And I'll show you this one more time. On top of our double crochet from our previous row, you're going to slip your crochet in there, pull up a loop and work a single crochet. On top of our single crochet from our previous row, going to yarn over, go into that top stitch and work a double crochet like this. And just like this, you're going to repeat this same process and complete this row as well. Single crochet followed on with a double crochet, single crochet, double crochet all the way to the end. I've now reached the end of my second row, and we're going to yarn over our crochet and work our last stitch together. We're going to finish with a double crochet again, and there we go. From here again, I'm going to change the color, and I'm going to go for the pink color that we started our first row with. Going to pull the tail ends down, and I can go ahead and snip this old colour off, and I'm going to give these two a little knot in place. From here you're going to chain 1, turn your work around and keep repeating row 1, row 2 until you get your desired number of rows. I'm going to work a couple more just to show you how changing colour accentuates this little pattern and it makes it look like this. I'll meet you after 2 more rows of the same. I'm here at the end of my last and final row, and here's my last and final stitch, which we're going to work a double crochet in. And there you have it. Once you've got your desired number of rows for your project, you're going to chain 1, and we can go ahead and snip this yarn off as well and pull this out of the loop, pull this stitch down to secure this end, and now I can use darning needle to actually work all of these ends into my work. And there you have it. This is your seed stitch or lemon peel stitch. As you can see, when you change the colors, you can really get this pattern popping. And nice thing about this pattern is that this is reversible, so it's ideal for scarves, blankets, or many other projects. If you enjoyed learning the stitch with me, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I would love to hear your comments about it as well. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.